everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called One Cat, Two Cat, New Cat, Oko and One Meat Tiger by David and Michael Keyes. In a little brown house by a brook in a wood lived two happy cats. It was really quite good. One was big and bouncy but slim but dim, while Oko was small and sneaky and trim. Around and around they would chase one another with a creep and crouch, then pounce on a brother. At the end of the game, in a big furry heap, they would land in a pile 2 cats deep. Then one day, when the leaves were bright yellow, from a bush came a long, whiskered fellow. He sniffed at the windows, he pawed at the door, he sat on the steps, but he wanted much more. With a bright green eyes and a big rumbly purr, he rubbed on their house with his gray and black fur. When the door would swing open in a blink, he was in, but quicker than quick, he was back out again. He was known as El Tigre, but they called him Tiger instead. His name was shorter and was more easily said. Now, you might be thinking that 3 cats are more fun than 2, but Oko and Ono knew better than you know. They hissed and they howled, they made it quite clear, they puffed up their tails, they laid back their ears. Oko nipped at his knees, he jumped on his back. Ono hit his nose with a 5-clawed whack. But try as they might, he had made up his mind. Tiger needed a home, and that house was a find. He stayed and stayed on some more. And the next thing you know, he was curled up on the floor. And those games that were played, the ones for just 2, Tiger joined right in. And what could they do? Hide and seek in the leaves, chase your tail, climb a tree. They were forced to admit it. It was more fun than 3. Perhaps best of all, as winter set in, each curled a ball with tail under chin. Every kitty noticed each one of them knew that a snuggle with 3 is much warmer than 2. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!